Today I'm going to show you how to install and give you a review on the Plusinno V9 Fishing Rod Holder. If you're interested in this, make sure you check out the link below. The only tools you're going to need for this are going to be a drill, along with a set of drill bits, including a Phillips head bit, a Sharpie marker, and a screwdriver. First, line up your fishing rod holder where you want it to go, and then I'm going to use this screw and poke small holes in each of the mounting holes, since my Sharpie marker wouldn't fit. Then I'm going to drill small pilot holes for our wall anchors. Next, just pop in your wall anchors. Next, line up your fishing rod holder over the wall anchors and insert your screws and tighten them down with your drill. Now that the fishing rod holder is mounted on the wall, you can start hanging your fishing rods. And now my fishing rods, which were once always in the way and just thrown in the corner, are nice and organized and easily accessible. Hope this helps, and check the link below.